Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access and selecting the right calendar. Open Outlook, sign in, then choose Calendar View. This puts your schedule front and center. Once done, create a new calendar if you want a separate project or select an existing one to avoid clutter. Make sure to verify account permissions so sharing will work. Now click New Event and enter title, date, start and end times. Include a location and brief description so your invitees get context. You now flesh out the event details and manage participants. After entering title and times, add attendees and then open the scheduling assistant to visually confirm availability. This avoids back and forth. Once you see a fit, attach any agenda files or add an online meeting link so everyone has access. If the meeting repeats, set recurrence rules, daily, weekly, monthly, and choose an end date. Finally, set a reminder and save or send the invite so attendees receive notifications immediately. You finish by monitoring responses and ensuring sync across devices. After sending invites, open tracking to see who accepted or declined, update details, and notify attendees if plans change. Make sure your mobile device sync is enabled and your Outlook time zone matches, because mismatches create missed or shifted events. If attendees report missing invites, resend the event or check calendar permissions and server status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.